Bitcoin price. Prediction, 2024 to 2035. Review. In this video, we will use historical data to chart where we believe the price will extend to each year from now to up until 2035. Want to know if Bitcoin will make you richer than a tech genius who just sold his company to Google? Stick around because we're diving headfirst into the wacky world of Bitcoin price predictions. We'll tell you everything you need to know, from its humble beginnings to what the future might hold. And if you're really serious about growing your digital nest egg, we've got some resources for you at the end. Think of it as financial information from your well-informed, crypto-savvy friend. While many factors go into the price of any cryptocurrency, we are creating this information for you based off of historical data, and we're going to project it into the future. Obviously, things may change to affect the price, but we are using as concrete of information as we can to give you the answers we're about to share. What we will share will boggle your mind, and if you guessed in 2035, you thought the price would be $1 million? Well, according to our calculations, that would be incorrect. Got your interest? Great, let's keep going. Let's take a stroll down memory lane and look at Bitcoin's yearly highs from its inception to 2017. In 2009, Bitcoin's value was a humble $0. It was a new kid on the block, and no one paid it much attention. Jumping to 2010, Bitcoin hit $0.08. The price increase from basically 0 to 8 cents is enough to skew our final numbers. It's a dramatic uptake from a percentage standpoint. So we will appreciate that increase for what it is, but we will rely on 2014 to 2024 price increases to give you Bitcoin's price predictions moving forward. 8 cents is not much, but it was a start at the time. By 2011, Bitcoin saw a significant jump to $31. People started taking notice. In 2012, the price adjusted to $13. Still a far cry from its earlier highs, but the journey was just beginning. 2013 was a landmark year. Bitcoin's value surged to $1,100, grabbing headlines and piquing interest worldwide. However, 2014 saw a slight dip to around $900, a reminder that the path to success is seldom a straight line. In 2015, Bitcoin stabilized at $430, a moment of calm before the storm. By 2016, Bitcoin was back on track, reaching $960. Momentum was building, and then came 2017. Bitcoin's value skyrocketed to an astonishing $19,783. It was a year of dreams for early adopters and a sign of things to come. These historical highs set the stage for the wild ride we're about to explore. So buckle up, because the future of Bitcoin is ever changing. In this chapter, we will explore the historical data of Bitcoin's price from 2017 to 2024. Each year brought its own set of challenges and triumphs for Bitcoin. Let's dive into the numbers and see how Bitcoin has evolved over these years. Starting from the high of 2017, Bitcoin faced a turbulent year in 2018. The price plummeted to around $3,200 by December, a stark contrast to its previous peak. The market sentiment was grim and many questioned if Bitcoin's time was over. But 2019 brought a glimmer of hope. Bitcoin rebounded to $13,800 in June, showing signs of recovery. The journey was far from smooth, though, with fluctuations testing the resolve of even the most steadfast believers. Then came 2020, a year marked by global upheaval. Despite the chaos, Bitcoin surged to $29,000 by the end of December. The digital gold narrative gained traction as investors sought safe havens amidst economic uncertainty. 2021 was a year of records. Bitcoin shattered its previous highs, reaching an astonishing $64,000 in April. The excitement was palpable, but so were the corrections. By July, the price had dipped to $29,000, only to recover and hit $69,000 in November. As we move into 2022, Bitcoin's volatility continued. The price oscillated between $30,000 and $50,000, reflecting the ongoing tug-of-war between bullish optimism and bearish skepticism. In 2023, Bitcoin's resilience was put to the test again. Regulatory concerns and market dynamics caused the price to hover around $40,000. Yet the underlying belief in its potential remained unshaken. Now in 2024, Bitcoin stands at a crossroads. With prices fluctuating around $50,000, the future remains uncertain but promising. As we look back at these years, It's clear that Bitcoin's journey is a testament to its enduring appeal and the ever-evolving landscape of digital finance. So what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Will it crash and burn, leaving a trail of broken dreams and empty wallets? Or will it soar to unimaginable heights, making early adopters wealthy? Let's chart our course using average growth from 2014 until today. Predicting Bitcoin's price is uncertain, but that doesn't mean we can't use trends to mark future progress analysts. Those brave souls who make a living staring at charts have thrown out some pretty wild predictions. Some say Bitcoin will hit $100,000 by the end of 2024. Others claim it'll reach a staggering $1 million by 2030. But never fear, we will use historical data trends to show our future price predictions. Let's start with the year 2024. Using Bitcoin at the time of this video's creation in September of 2024 is at approximately $58,000. We can then analyze market patterns and historical averages to project potential price movements. It is important to note that from 2014 to 2024, the price of Bitcoin went up 2,000%. If we take that information and reflect it into the future, one might think the 2035 price would be $1,165,000 approximately, but that would not include the yearly increases of 200%, which will catapult the price of Bitcoin much, much higher. Moving into September 2025, if Bitcoin follows an annual increase of around 200%, we could see its price rising to approximately $174,000. If the price increases on average as it has for 2014 to 2024, these Bitcoin price predictions are about to really escalate. Using this trend, by 2026, Bitcoin could reach $522,000. By 2027, the price could soar to $1,566,000. By 2028, it could reach $4,698,000. By 2029, the price could be $14,094,000. By 2030, it could reach $42,282,000. By 2031, the price could be $126,846,000. By 2032, it could reach $380,538,000. By 2033, the price could be $1,141,614,000. By 2034, it could reach $3,424,842,000. Finally, by 2035, the price could $274,526,000. To learn more about passive income through cryptocurrency and other related products, check out the personal link in the description below.